dressed up for a trip to the islands?
Babe, it's a secret. It's a secret. I gotta work it out. No.
Hey, that trip is for the winners of this match. What's that little ferret trying to pull?
It's a secret, babe. The trip's a secret. Go back and sit down, will ya?
Oh, it looks like the cat's out of the bag thanks to that little kitten.
Right. One member of the team must submit. This is a special Caribbean cruise match. The winning team is promised to have...
And all of a sudden, Mr. Technicolor seems awfully flustered. What is he giving? The match introduction or travel directions?
From Los Angeles, California, the one, the only, Hollywood!
And it looks like the street girl stole some lounge chairs just for this cruise. And if they're not careful, she's liable to steal the whole ship.
MTV!
And MTV looks like somebody's luggage exploded. She couldn't decide what to wear, so she wore everything.
Big Bad Mama!
Get a load of those flippers. Man, that outfit. She looked like something that fought Godzilla once.
Again, the winner of this match gets a Caribbean cruise. Therefore,
MTV is going to set fashion back to the Stone Age. Don't let Mr. Blackwell see her.
Lightning!
And the superhero is also packed and ready.
Reminder from Brookdale, Ohio.
Zelda decked out for the trip as well. That suitcase is probably full of her favorite books.
Their third partner in this Caribbean...
And Fiji's prepared as well. Well, it's only fitting the giant of the ring has a giant pair of shades. And it looks like she's brought along a snack for the trip. Oh, I finally found something that's as awful as Melody singing. Her outfit. No wonder foreigners call her the ugly American.
I need a vacation. So quit wasting time. We've got a plane to catch.
Lightning ready to go. And Hollywood has a few choice words for her. None of them, I'm sure, is have a nice trip. Oh, the vixen rushes the hero.
Don't worry about that. You go out there.
And Mama attacks Fiji. The bell has just sounded already. It's a Pier 6 brawl. The Rocker swatting the comic book star with her inflatable ducky. Now that's a Powell attack. The Giants going at it toe-to-toe, and Hollywood takes over on the brain. The refs got to break this up, so only 2 combatants are in the ring. The match can only be ended by a submission, but no one will give up easily with that trip on the line. He ushers the heavyweights out. And finally breaks up Hollywood and Zelda, leaving Lightning and the fashion fiasco. The superhero corrals her foe and takes her over in a standing monkey toss. MTV going on a little trip already. The huge Samoan ready to take over. She wants to end this match quickly and get on with the Bon Voyage party. Hollywood tags in and tags Fiji with a quick kick. And the Rocker scurries along the floor like a rugrat. She's still got that horrid Hawaiian shirt with her. And she attacks Lightning with it, while Mama assaults the brain. All 6 grapplers determined to go on that cruise. And what's going to happen when they find out Johnny Weasel's keeping the tickets for himself? And Fiji has the street girl up and delivers a keister buster. She dumps her to the mat. The official has lost all control of this match. As a matter of fact, he never had it to begin with. The street fighter holds in the bookworm, and the 2 giants battle around the ring. If they could go into the stands, they could wipe out half the audience. Now the Rocker goes through Zelda's luggage, looking for a weapon, trying to skirt the issue. The referee counting the 4 of them out, and the Samoan is giving her foe a fruit salad facial. Lightning leaps on Hollywood to rescue the battered brain, but she rolls right into the rocker's waiting arms. Hey, you can forget about a submission. The object right now is survival. The genius trying to corral the leggy grappler, and the big bad one is belting the islander with a travel tote. That bag is using the bag, and the street fighter takes over on the road scholar of the ring. Her fans chanting, sure, she promised them all souvenirs. Now the Californian leaps from the ring to help MTV, and the mountain has battered the Voodoo Queen. She looks like she's got jet lag without the benefit of the trip. Wait, Johnny C. ringing the bell. The ref didn't call for it. What's going on?
The match is over, girls. There is no prize.
And that stops them dead in their tracks.
There's been a little mix-up with the tickets.
Babe makes her way to the ring. The other grapplers are stunned. Uh-oh, the jig is up. Let's see him get out of this one. And the wrestlers tear into him. Look, he's hiding a Hawaiian shirt. If he wasn't caught with his pants down before, he's about to be. We'll be right back. Bon voyage, Johnny C.
I don't want to go fishing. You want to go fishing? How come you always get to go fishing now, but you make because I don't want you.
All right, quiet down, Sarah and Mabel. Can you make a sentence using the word Eureka?
What? Teacher, you got too much perfume on. Eureka, awful lot.